What is up, YouTube? Rez back here again, and we're at the Grease Spot meet. It's a local meet they do here, but it's actually pretty lit today, so we're gonna catch the roll in. There's a few people you might recognize here. We'll catch them coming in. Sheesh!
Oh, nice. He's gonna be too close. He's gonna be too close. He's gonna have to just.
Damn. Just got the 370Z back from the wrap shop. Steven! What's up, man? Car looks fucking clean.
Thank you.
What color is this?
Yeah, Optimus Blue.
Optimus Blue?
Yep.
Damn.
It's from APA.
APA?
Yeah.
Makes you feel optimistic looking at it. It looks real good. I got Depression Black on my car.
Oh, yeah.
I need to get.
Is that the name?
I need to get it wrapped a different color, but it looks good, man. Looks good.
Dude, just hit up Rob, bro. He's somewhere around here.
Yeah, I've talked to him before, so I just gotta finalize some things.
Yeah.
So I'm getting the car tuned first, and then a few other things. But car looks really clean, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
Love. Alright, so looking pretty good so far. Bunch of cars. We got a few clips there. Damn, this thing's not stable at all, but we got a few clips. Just trying to get as many as we can out here. But there's a lot of nice cars out here, a lot of cool people. So we're just gonna keep filming. Whatever happens, happens. There's an exhaust competition coming up. So might enter just to get a baseline before my tune, to see how it sounds before and after. So we'll see you when we get there.
Say that you're fine. They're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they don't have runners.
I'm gonna have you go one more time.
Ran out of fucking battery. I'm coming for you, Steven. Next month, watch.
Dude,
you see.
I'm gonna lose to that shit, bro.
You're gonna be louder for sure, but these flames are gonna be thick.
Yeah, gotta get past that red limiter.
Yeah,
That's a killer. You would've won.
the Godzilla mode is specifically just for flames.
Yeah.
I just flip it on.
Fuck.
Pop, pop, pop. But I'm coming next time. So we took a big fat L today at the exhaust comp, but we'll be back next month after the tune, and we'll be winning from Steven for sure. We're coming for you. Hell yeah. See you guys next time.